Hello, I am YK Prakash. In this video, I would like to show you how to interface 8x8 LED matrix to Arduino. Actually, we are going to use this LED matrix in making a clock like this one. With this clock, the user can change the date and time. Also, he can change the scrolling message on the LED matrix. He can also display the full dates string as a scrolling message. Towards this purpose, we will try to interface LED matrix with the Arduino. So this is our initial program. In this program, we will be just sending initialization screen only. These are the pin connection details. We have defined the pin constant only for chip select here. This is the only choice you have. The other pin connections are a must. That is, DIN of matrix should be connected to MOSI pin 11, and clock of matrix should be connected to pin 13. Now this matrix is the object from this library. We are basically using Max72XX panel library. For this, it is a must to use Adafruit GFX library also. Okay. Next, we have defined number of horizontal displays. We have 4 cascaded displays in line. Then number of vertical displays is only 1. Then we are defining brightness. Brightness can be from 0 to 15. Then scroll delay is 70. I think there is no limit here, but anyway, giving too much delay will slow down the system. Then we are setting the intensity by giving variable brightness. Then, depending on the manufacturer, the rotation of the displays may be different. For my display of 4 segments, this one is working well. In case you have some problem, you may have to change it. The segment which is nearest to Arduino is 0, and then the count starts. So 0, 1, 2, 3, total 4 segments. Okay, and the rotation also in the comments, the variable values are given, parameter values are given. Then under setup, we are just asking it to go to show init function. We are not doing anything in loop because this is only initialization screen. So this is the show init function. I should have copied it from somewhere on the internet. So now let us upload and see. So it has done uploading. Okay. Now let us see the second program. Second program is basically identical to this one. The only purpose is keeping in mind that we are next going to make a clock with this one. We have 2 requirements here. We want to display a scrolling message given a string, and then we also want to display our time here. Towards that purpose, this program will show a string, scrolling string, and then it will also display digits. Okay. So here setup is same. In loop I am saying scroll string user message. User message is a variable. I have given hello, how are you? Okay. So if you go to user message, scroll string user message, this code I copied from somewhere from the internet. Then this loop 0 to 9 digits, single digits only, will be displayed using this display string function. This one takes a parameter called string only, parameter of type string only. That's why I applied conversion function string. This display string function will first fill the screen with blank so that the screen is cleared. Then it will, for the first digit, it will set the cursor at 10. For the second one, it will set the cursor at 90. Then write these time strings. Okay. Similarly for third digit. Similarly for the fourth digit. Okay. This is for the colon. Set cursor, send colon, print colon. Okay. The printing is done with matrix.print. Anyway, whenever you finally want to commit this writing, you have to use this matrix.write. This we are doing at a delay of 2000 seconds in this particular program. So that's how it is. Let us upload and see. Okay, that's how it is. So this is the single LED matrix 8 by 8. The font used is 5 by 7. So I have given here the digit 5 as an example. The top left corner is 0 0. We will leave the first column and then start printing our character. Okay. So if you have this idea, you can see how we have given set cursor commands in our program. This is the connection diagram of Arduino to LED matrix. On the LED matrix side, VCC and ground are connected to plus 5 volts and ground of Arduino Uno. Then chip select pin is connected to pin 10. This is the only choice you have. The other two are a must. D-in is connected to pin 11. Clock is connected to pin 13 of Arduino. So that's all. It's a simple connection diagram only. Thank you very much for watching the video. In this video, I tried to explain how to interface the 4 cascaded 8 by 8 LED matrix with Arduino with an aim to finally make a clock with this one. The related videos will be published later. The next video should be about the Bluetooth HC05.